I decided today that I would start doing occasional vlogs again. I don't know, just where I chit chat with you. I mean, I don't know how that works out. But anyway, the reason I'm on today is because, like the rest of the country, we are freezing. But we're expecting snow tonight, and I missed all the snow when I was in Paris. It snowed here like crazy and everything, and I was so upset. If it starts snowing tonight, now it's going to be too dark to see it. But I told Scott, we are bundling up and we are going to go out to the parking lot, or we're going to go over to the parking lots not far from our apartment where there's street lights, and we're going to stand and watch it snow because I'm not missing it. I'm not missing it. Now, our lake has been iced over last week, or week before. It was iced over all but a little tiny bit. It was really crazy. And, okay, here's another thing. I told y'all that I was going to teach you how to stay warm. And this is kind of, you know, a good video for now. Let me tell you what we did in Paris. I'm not going to demonstrate it because it's ridiculous. But when we were in London and Paris, it was cold. Not as cold as here. It's going to be 15 tonight here. It was not anything like that. We were there. It was in the low 30s and 40s. So we were good. But how we kept warm, okay? Walking around in the city all day, every day. You know, we stayed outside in it, and we were never miserable except one short period of time when it started sleeting on us. We got cold that day, and we were cold because we were on the Seine, on the river, near the river, and we couldn't find a metro stop. And it was cold walking across the bridge to try to find a stop on that river. Oh my gosh, we got cold that night. It was sleeting and everything. But anyway, I haven't uploaded those vlogs yet. I'm going to do that too. But anyway, so what we did was this. We went over to Academy, which is like a sports store, and we bought like long johns, super thin long johns. You can buy them in, I bought black, of course, and you buy them, they come in different weights and different numbers, like 1, 2, 3 or something like that. And I don't remember which one I got. I think I got like medium weight. But they're thin, and because I always wear stretchy jeans, my jeans stretched right over them, not a problem. They were not tight. That made a huge difference. And they're probably not even called long johns anymore, but I don't know the word, so. Anyway, so we bought those. We layered. We didn't buy the undershirt thing that was for the cold, but we layered, like I would wear like a tank under mine and a sweater, and then my coat, my leopard coat, and a scarf and a hat, or my headband thing that I bought in London. And the other thing we did, we bought hand warmers and toe warmers. And the hand warmers we used about half the time, but they are fabulous, y'all. You just activate them. They're real cheap. You get them at Walmart. You just activate them in the air for about 15-20 seconds. You put them in your pocket, and then every time you put your hands in your pocket, it's super, super warm. We also bought toe warmers because all I can remember about being cold when we used to go snow skiing all the time when I was a kid, freezing cold in my ski boot. I mean, we used to take our ski boots off, y'all, and put them under the electric hand warmers, you know, the hand dryers in the bathroom, try to get our boot warm. Anyway, it was so cold, and I thought, oh, if I had only had my toes warm, I probably would have skied twice as much. But so we bought the foot warmers. We did not like those at all because you could feel them. You know, they're on your toes, but I don't know if we didn't have them far enough in, or you could feel them. You were stepping on it the whole time. It had like a line you could feel on your foot. Those were no good. So we only used those once. We didn't use the rest of them. I don't even know where they are. You know, I meant to give those to my brother for hunting, and I think I forgot. Anyway, that's how you stay warm. The hat's super important. The gloves are super important. The hand warmers are super important. And they last 12 hours, y'all. And they work. I'm telling you, they work so good. So anyway, that's how you stay warm. All right, I'm going to let you go, and I will come back and film the snow and maybe my sandwich if I remember in just a minute. Okay, I was going to show y'all what I eat. It's this Glutino. I think I've shown you these. Glutino gluten-free English muffins. They make great sandwiches, great muffins, great toast, great bread, whatever you want. And what I do is it stays, you have to keep them in the freezer. And I just put mine in the microwave for 30 seconds. And no, I didn't even put it on a plate. So what I'm going to do is on this, I'm going to add pesto. And I'm going to put this, I have this Black Forest ham and turkey. I think I'm going to put both. I'm not sure. And then I'm going to slice up some Swiss cheese. And then I'm going to toast it kind of like, what's the word? Grilled cheese. Because I don't want to get out my sandwich presser. Okay, I hope y'all can see this. This is my sandwich. I put some butter in the skillet, real butter in the skillet. Yes, I'm using real butter now. And I'm trying to kind of, ooh, yeah, there, now it's working. It's going to be great. It's got the pesto. I took the Swiss cheese and I grated it so that it would melt quicker. So I have some Swiss cheese under this bun, under the other bun, in between the ham and the turkey, so that the whole thing will kind of glue together. Okay, I wanted y'all to see this sandwich. It is fantastic. I highly recommend it of some sort. It's really, really good. Okay, y'all, I have no idea what the lighting is like. I'm in my bathroom. My bathroom. It's on the other side of the apartment. Scott fell asleep on the couch. It's about 5:20. It's supposed to start snowing at 6 o'clock and snow till midnight or 11. So I'm on snow watch. I don't know how long this is going to take, but I will be outside in it, y'all. And I know I sound like a crazy person, but I haven't seen snow fall from the sky in well, 18 years in Florida, 2 years in Houston, and 6 months in Alabama. That's a long time from not seeing any snow whatsoever. Okay. We just went out on the patio. It smells like snow. Remember when Lorelai used to always say it smelled like snow, you know, on the Gilmore Girls? It smells different out there. It smells like, it just smells different. It smells like snow. And it's super, super, super snowy, cloudy, you know, clouds, snow clouds. That's what you call them, snow clouds. I have faith that it's happening. And I'm so excited, but I will tell you that it's freezing cold out on the lanai. And I would take you out there, but it's really cold and you can't see anything. Well, why don't I try? I know you're not going to see anything, except you're probably going to see my messy house. Okay. Here you go. I locked this out. Okay. Oh, God. Ooh, it's cold. I'm barefoot, too. Okay. Oh, y'all. Doesn't that look snowy? Doesn't it look snowy? Oh, my gosh. I can't believe it. I hope you can see this. Okay, it's really darker there, but let me show you the clouds. I mean, if Scott locks me out, I'm gonna kill him. Okay, oh gosh, it's freezing. Doesn't that look like snow, y'all? It's happening. It's gonna fall right on that lake. Oh. All right, I'm going in. Doesn't the house look so warm and cozy in there? It's almost like Paris. How the doors, the windows and the doors of the restaurants look golden. Yeah, okay. So excited. Okay, I'll keep you updated. Okay, y'all, the snow update is this. It's not snowing. We've gone through the first hour of possible snow from 6 to 7 with no snow. And now they've dropped the 7 o'clock situation from 60% chance to 40% chance. My dream is slipping away, and I'm very sad about it. I just made that really sad video like literally 30 seconds ago, and now they've changed it. I keep looking at this weather app. I'm trying to take my town off of it, but most of you know where I live anyway. But okay, at 8, at 9, at 10, at 11, at 12, at 11 it's 50%. Now they've extended it to midnight is 40% and 1 a.m. is 50%. So Scott's sending everybody home from the plant because it's snowing in the plant town. Snow showers. Yeah, has been snowing. So anyway, I have a little bit of hope back. Okay, y'all. It's snowing. I can't believe it. You can see it on the cars. Y'all, it's been snowing a while and we couldn't see it because it's so fine of a mist. Here, video me in the snow so we can go back in the house. Can you see it? I don't think you can see it. Oh my gosh, I can see it now.
Be still.
Come over here. Look. Look at your truck. Wow.
Oh, I can see it.
Look at the roof. Show the garage roof. Oh, your coat's covered in snow, honey.
Here, I'm freezing from shivering.
Look at you. Scott put on his Paris coat. Is it warm?
And I'm freezing. I don't have all the sweaters on.
No, we're not layered up.
Look at it blowing around over there.
Oh, this is so cool. Let's walk down the street a little ways. Okay, we have ice on the patio, snow on the chairs. How cold did you say it was?
That says about 10 degrees.
Yep. And here's our winter wonderland. We're fixing to take a walk. Whoa! I almost slipped on the ice.
Well, I told you.
How many times have I said that in my life? Here's oh my gosh, I hate to step in it. Okay, y'all, it snowed last night. It started at 7:30, as you know, but it snowed till 3 a.m. Oh, this parking lot's covered in ice. It snowed till 3 a.m. and which it wasn't supposed to do. So we should have so much more snow because it's like 5 hours of snow. But it was such a fine, the flakes were like teeny tiny fine. They blew in the wind. So look at that snow.
Get it off.
No, not now. You'll get your hands all wet. Let's walk around the lake and then walk to Panera, but we need to get off this ice. Y'all can see the crystals on the snow. It's all sparkly. Yes, this is a Southern girl's look at snow. This is craziness. Now, what we're gonna do, the whole world shut down here. Scott had to shut the plant. Oh, look how pretty that looks. But we're going to walk to Panera and see. I know. We're going to walk to Panera and see if it's open. Scott doesn't think it'll be open, but I kind of do. We'll see.
Go back the other way and walk around on our sidewalk over here.
Look how pretty this looks. Yeah, let's do that. All right, we made it to Panera and we're sitting by the fire and looking at the snow. And we have quite a feast. We kind of went overboard. I got a scone.
I'm okay with it because I'm burning calories.
And we almost got snow. What's it called? Frostbite.
Yeah. Your face is still slightly red, or is that rouge?
Is my face red? Oh, I probably got frostbite and I don't know it. I want to lift this up. So we have clear. Okay. Ew. Oh yeah. Look at that. Gorgeousness. I know I'm making a big deal and I don't care. Okay, I thought I would give you my final assessment of snow. Living in the snow can be quite cold. It's 14 out there. And once we walked all the way here to Panera, my face was like numb. I got scared, so I had to lift up my thing like this. Anyway. It's so awesome and wonderful, and it's so beautiful, and I'm enjoying it. And now we're going to make the trek home, and then we're not leaving the house for the rest of the day.